Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be talking about 125 cubic centimeter motorcycles that are perfect for those looking to buy their first bike or anyone seeking an affordable option. Whether you're new to the world of motorcycling or a seasoned expert, 125cc bikes are always an excellent alternative for daily urban commuting. These low-displacement motorcycles have so much to offer. They're super affordable, lightweight, low maintenance, and easy to handle, making them ideal for first-time riders. Plus, they're not just a great way to start, they're a springboard to bigger, more powerful machines as you develop your skills and confidence. So, if you're looking for an economical vehicle and something fun to practice on, or you're simply curious about motorcycles in this category, stay until the end of the video, because here we'll present the 7 cheapest and most powerful Chinese 125cc motorcycles you need to consider for 2025. Let's get started. From the lowest to the highest price, in 7th place, we have the powerful Voge 125R, which in our opinion is one of the best value for money Chinese motorcycles you can buy to get started in 2025. This model features a modern design, full LED lighting, inverted suspension, a color LCD instrument panel, a steel trellis frame, and disc brakes on both wheels with a dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system. Mechanically, it comes equipped with a single-cylinder, 124.8 cubic centimeter engine with a double overhead camshaft and 4 valves per cylinder, liquid cooling, fuel injection, and a 6-speed transmission. The maximum power offered by this Voge is 14.7 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, and its maximum torque is 12 Newton meters at 8,500 RPM. Its current retail price starts at $3,050. In 6th place, we have the Benelli Leoncino 125, a motorcycle designed in Pesaro, Italy, and manufactured in China by the team at QJMOTOR. This model features a classic-style design combined with modern technology, inspired by the brand's 250cc models. Among its main attributes, this Benelli includes a full LED front headlight, inverted suspension, a monochromatic digital instrument panel, a steel trellis frame, and lobed disc brakes with CBS system. The engine in this model is a 125 cubic centimeter single cylinder with a single overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, liquid cooling, electronic fuel injection, and a 6-speed transmission. Its maximum power is 12.6 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute, and its peak torque is 10 Newton meters at 8,500 RPM. The official starting price as of today is $3,150. In 5th place, we have the beautiful QJMOTOR SRK 125S, a highly premium motorcycle that directly competes with Yamaha's MT 125 and the KTM Duke 125, but at a price up to 40% more affordable. Its design stands out for its aggressive and modern style, full LED lighting, a 5-inch color TFT instrument panel, inverted forks, a steel perimeter frame, and lobed disc brakes on both wheels with a dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system. Mechanically, it offers a 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine with a single overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, electronic fuel injection, a 6-speed transmission, and liquid cooling. Its maximum power is 14.7 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute, and it delivers a torque of 12.1 Newton meters. The official starting price is also $3,150. And if you prefer a scrambler design, you can choose between this SRK 125 or the SRV 125, as both models share the same engine and price. In 4th place, we want to highlight the KOVE 125R, which, in my opinion, is the best designed motorcycle in this group. Its main features include an aggressive headlight with full LED lighting, 41mm inverted telescopic forks, a 5-inch color LCD digital instrument panel, a steel trellis frame, a premium single-sided swing arm, and lobed disc brakes on both wheels with a dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system. The engine in this model is a 125 cubic centimeter single cylinder with a double overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, liquid cooling, electronic fuel injection, and a 6-speed transmission. Its maximum power is 13.7 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, and its peak torque is 10.8 Newton meters. The official starting price for this KOVE is $3,450. In third place, we have the Zontes G125, a retro-style scrambler motorcycle that stands out for its modern design details, setting it apart from others in this category. This model features a circular headlight with full LED lighting, a digital instrument panel, 37mm inverted telescopic forks, smart keyless ignition, a dual-arm aluminum alloy swing arm, multi-purpose tires, and disc brakes with a dual-channel ABS anti-lock system. Mechanically, it offers a 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine with dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, electronic fuel injection, liquid cooling, and a 6-speed transmission. It delivers 14.7 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 13 Newton meters at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Its retail price also starts at $3,450, and you have the option to go for its naked version, the Zontes U125, which has the same price and mechanical features. In second place, we highlight the Mondial Piega 125, an Italian-designed motorcycle now manufactured in collaboration with the Piaggio Group in China. This model stands out for its futuristic and aerodynamic design, featuring a modern headlight with full LED lighting, 40mm gold inverted telescopic forks, a full-color digital instrument panel, and disc brakes on both wheels with radial calipers, and a dual-channel ABS anti-lock system. Its engine is a 125 cubic centimeter single cylinder with dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, fuel injection, liquid cooling, and a 6-speed transmission. It delivers a maximum power of 14 horsepower at 9,750 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 10.5 Newton meters at 8,000 revolutions per minute. The starting price for this model is $3,750, and for a similar price, you can choose its scrambler version, the Mondial HPS 125, which offers the same engine features. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the beautiful Keeway V125 C, one of the most incredible motorcycles in this ranking. This model stands out for having a unique engine for its displacement and category. The design of this motorcycle was inspired by higher displacement custom models and is notable for its classic headlight with full LED lighting, circular style digital instrument panel, silver-colored inverted forks, low exhaust pipe, 15-liter fuel tank, and disc brakes on both wheels with a CBS system. Mechanically, it surprises us with a 125 cubic centimeter V-twin engine featuring a single overhead camshaft, 3 valves per cylinder, liquid cooling, electronic fuel injection, and a 6-speed transmission. Its official starting price is $3,900, making it the most expensive motorcycle in this group. It's an ideal model for those looking for an attractive bike with plenty of style and a design that stands out from the rest of the market. We can't end this video without mentioning the new CFMOTO 125 NK, which we expect to be available to the public in the second half of 2025, making it an excellent entry-level option for those looking to purchase their first motorcycle. The design of this model stands out for its futuristic and aerodynamic aesthetic, full LED lighting, full-color digital instrument panel, steel trellis frame, 37mm inverted fork, disc brakes with radial calipers and dual-channel ABS, a 12.5-liter fuel tank, and it's expected to include a premium version with a single-sided swing arm. The engine is a 125 cubic centimeter single cylinder with a double overhead camshaft, 4 valves, liquid cooling, fuel injection, and a 6-speed transmission. Its maximum power is 14.5 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute, and its peak torque is 10.2 Newton meters. The selling price of the CFMOTO 125 NK is expected to be around $3,300, making it an affordable alternative to the KTM Duke 125. Despite the fact that many people criticize Chinese motorcycles, their presence in dealerships worldwide is inevitable and undeniable, as they are affordable vehicles with good designs and a lot of technology. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment on which of these motorcycles is your favorite. Drive safely and see you next time.